We are First Robotics Team 4645, otherwise known as the Chicago-style BotDogs. Every year, we participate in an international competition with tens of thousands of other high school students making thousands of robots, but robotics is more than just building robots.
To the BotDogs, it's all about creating a community of confident, motivated, and compassionate future leaders. We have room for everyone. Every person of all abilities, commitments, and skills is welcomed and included. Our team has a unique spirit. Despite our size, it's become a close-knit community where people make new friends and are always learning from each other. They learn about not just how to build a well-functioning robot, but also how to work well on a team together. The spirit of cooperation, leadership skills, and so much more. And this doesn't stop once members graduate. We've given hundreds of students the opportunities and experience needed to go on to attend high-caliber colleges, obtain jobs in the STEAM field, and even come back to the team as mentors, all due to their involvement in 4645.
That's our impact on team members, but this is just a part of our total impact. Within the robotics community, we've spread the importance of robotics on NPR, assisted other teams, and ferociously cheered on our fellow Chicagoan teams. But our reach extends outside of the robotics community as well. We have inspired students in our school to become STEM and computer science students, helped out local Girl Scouts, and gave presentations about robotics to young women. We've also gotten more female and minority students who sadly make up only a small percentage of the total people in STEAM fields involved in robotics. Our team provides a platform for these students to learn and grow their skills, and we've seen an increased involvement by these students on our team, filling traditionally male roles like captain, mechanical leads, and software leads.
But what separates us from the over 3,000 other FRC teams who enter the same competition every year? Quite a lot. For starters, our point of greatest pride is that our team is entirely self-led and self-sustaining. The members make up all important team decisions and oversee the many moving parts that make up a large robotics team like ours. It presents a unique opportunity for these students to gain invaluable leadership experience that will undoubtedly be useful later in their careers and teach other students about their passions. We accomplish this through sub-team meetings where leaders teach other team members all about team aspects, from building and programming to managing media and strategizing gameplay. In addition to these sub-team meetings, we also have a large junior varsity team that can gain experience building and programming a robot before they make it onto varsity. We're also very well known for our team spirit, winning the Spirit Award at competitions over 6 times.
As our team evolves and grows, our collective mission remains clear: to foster a community of capable, confident, and compassionate future leaders. It's this unwavering commitment to empowering our members and enriching our community that defines us. Our impacts, big or small, change the lives of our members every single day and lead to a profound influence on our community as a whole.